In Swell Enterprise, you have the option to use the Calendar and Events module. In this module, you have the option to create multiple calendars and then create events under those calendars. So by default, if you go to Calendars and then View Calendars, you'll see the System-Wide Calendar here, which pretty much shows you all the projects and tasks that are due or anything with a deadline that's been set. It will show up here as well as all the events from all of your other calendars. So this will be more or less an overview of everything that you have going on within the system or that's been assigned to you. I can choose to integrate this with a service such as Google Calendar, or I can import from an iCal or a CSV file, and I can choose to add a calendar. So if I wanted to keep my calendar separate, I may create a calendar for follow-ups. Once I save my calendar, I should be able to switch between the different calendars that I have set up here. You can see this one's starting with a totally blank slate. On the left-hand side, I may want to go ahead and start creating some events and adding them. So I'll go ahead and pause this and create an event. Alright, so I've entered my information here, and you can see that I chose a start time and date, and an end time and date. I can also choose to color code my calendar, so I can drag and drop this to be whatever color I'd like. And then I choose which calendar I'd like to assign this to. Lastly, I can add a description or choose to add a note to this event, or I can make this an all-day event. So you can see here I've created an event that lasts about 3 days, and I've assigned it to the follow-ups calendar. So if I go ahead and click add event, you can see that my event has been successfully saved. And if I scroll down, I see my event with the color code, and it spans across 3 days. I will also receive a notification letting me know when this event starts and ends, just to keep me reminded. Clicking on an event will bring up the details page, where if you've added any notes or you'd like to view the description or more information, that will be available to you there.